Let's talk about OSS or open source software. We're all using it every day. MediatR, AutoMapper, Fluent Assertions, Identity Server, Mock, well, you name it. It powers our apps, our frameworks, our platforms. And most of the time, we don't pay a single cent for it. Let's unpack this. Now, I've selected all of these frameworks or this lineup for a specific reason. All of them have or will introduce a commercial license. Lately, there has been a shift. More and more open source projects are going commercial. Jimmy Bugard wrote a blog post on his blog that he was making both AutoMapper and MediatR commercial. And every time this happens, we get the same reactions.
Yeah, I have a lot of questions. Number one, how dare you?
People are burning out. They've been giving away time, knowledge, support for free, while company builds products, ship features, and make money using their tools. At some point, that model just stops working. But what really scares me is that we are so hell-bent to not pay for great products that are written by experts in their field, that we rather switch frameworks, which might be a huge investment, rewriting all this code. Hell no, those open source people should be doing this for free. Identity Server went commercial. Fluent Assertions added licensing for enterprise use, and, well, let's face it, their pricing was perhaps a little bit too much. MediatR and AutoMapper. I just mentioned that Jimmy Bugard just announced that they'll be introducing a commercial license as well. Now, Jimmy said that he doesn't know exactly what the licensing model will look like, but the goal is simple: make it sustainable. Now, despite this, people are trying to find replacement. What can we use instead? Is Wolverine an option? Heck, even build your own. So I'm seeing all these kinds of different discussions. Replace Fluent Assertions with Shouldly. Replace MediatR and Mass Transit with Wolverine. All of these kinds of discussions, and very few are talking about, well, just paying for it. Now, I get that not all companies or persons can do that, but I assume that, well, some can. Now, this has been kind of a long-running trend. Mock tried telemetry to figure out how the libraries was used. Well, that backfired spectacularly. But it came from the same place, trying to keep going. Hangfire has been doing a dual license for many years, so if you are doing an open source project, you would get it for free. I've talked to a lot of open source software maintainers over the years, and I'm starting to hear the same thing over and over again. And I would describe it as kind of bitterness. Not because people are using their work, but I mean, that's the whole point, but because people are demanding and expecting new feature, bug fixes, support, security, and it needs to be free. I think it's very important to understand that there is a cost to open source software. You might not be the one paying it, but someone is. Maybe it's a company giving their employees time to contribute. Maybe it's the maintainer spending nights, weekends writing code instead of spending time with their family. I don't know if this is a good time to bring this up, but I have an open source project called Blossom, or Blossom Extension, that helps developers building Blazor applications more easy. So we do accept sponsors, just saying. Okay, yeah, so let's wrap this up. Now, this isn't about one project or one maintainer. This is a pattern, a sign of where things are heading. If we don't support open source tools we use, either with money, time, or just heck appreciation, we are going to lose them. They'll burn out. They'll go commercial, or they will just disappear. So if your company relies on something, support it. Support the maintainers. Buy a license. Do something to show that you care about this product. Because open source isn't free. It just looks like that. Someone is paying for it. If you can, make sure that you contribute. What is your favorite open source project, and are you supporting it right now? Write in the comments.